guys, welcome to my channel. How are you guys? I hope you guys are doing good. Welcome if you are new to my channel. Welcome if you are not new to my channel. And also if you haven't subscribed yet, please do that by pressing the red button, and then yeah, so we can be a family. So today's video I'm gonna be doing a facial mask. I got it from the $1 store, and I want to try it out. So I haven't used it yet. I just wanted to share with you guys. I wanted to film it to share with you guys. So let's see how it goes. So this is what the package looked like. Let me show you the English side of it. I don't know if you can see. And I don't know how come this is like looking dark. What's going on? What's going on with my camera? Yeah, but anyway, so it is called Global Beauty Care Premium Charcoal Spa Treatment Mask, Anti-Aging Serum, Smoothing, says 15-minute facial therapy, deep cleans down to the pores, effectively moisturize and nourishes skin for all skin types. So that's what it says on it. Alright, so I'm gonna open up the package. I didn't open it yet, it's still sealed. So I'm just gonna open the package. I don't know why my camera is turned, like it looks like it's turning dark and then become light. I don't know, maybe it's just me. Okay, so I'm just gonna open the package. It has a couple inside. Let me see. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 inside of it. So let's do this together. So open up one pack. Yeah, so it's actually dripping. It has some liquid inside of it. So this is what it looks like.
So first time using this type of mask. I've never used it before. So yeah, so let's just do this together. Please bear with me.
Alright, oh here it is, I got it. Here's the face. Okay, yeah, I'm supposed to fold this part in. So I'll fold it out like this. Okay, I think I'm getting it. What do you guys think? It's my first time trying a mask like this. I usually use what's it called? The clear mask. Okay, that's what I usually use on my face. I've never tried this before. Okay. Okay, so 15 minutes and I will be right back. I'll be right back. I'll be back. Okay guys, so it's about 15 minutes now. So I'm just gonna take it off because it said once it's 15 minutes to take it off, and not to leave it any longer than 15 minutes because of allergy, and to also make sure that you wipe it off, like you wash off or wipe off, so that there's none of the residues left on your face, just in case you have sensitive skin. So I'm just gonna wipe mine off with some wipes. My face actually feels okay. I don't know, when I had it on, I felt a little tingle for the first maybe 1 minute, but after that I was okay, so I just left it on right after that. So yeah, so let's see, what do you guys think about the mask? My face looks pretty good. Trying to feel soft, yeah. And you also said to use like once a week. So yeah, so this is it. I'm trying to see my face with my, yeah. So this is it, you all done. So I just make sure I wipe everything all off, and yeah, that's it guys. What do you think? Thank you guys so much for watching. Do let me know what you think by leaving a comment below, and give it a thumbs up if you do like this video, excuse me, and also if you want me to do more of this video, just let me know at the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video.